In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile in Lovable. If you want to keep your account information current and make sure your profile reflects the way you want to appear on the platform. This is a quick process to learn. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already signed into Lovable and on your dashboard. This is the main area where you'll usually land after logging in, and it's where you can access your account settings and personal options. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the lower left area of the screen for your profile icon. This icon is the entry point to your personal account menu. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the left side carefully, especially near the bottom, since that's where profile and account shortcuts are often placed. After clicking the profile icon, a menu should appear with several account-related options. From that menu, click on Profile. This will take you to your public or personal profile page, where you can review the information currently associated with your account. When your profile page opens, take a quick look around so you know you're in the right place. This page typically shows the details other users may see, along with controls that let you manage how your profile appears. Next, look for the Edit Profile option and click on it. This is the section where you can make changes to your profile information. Once you open it, you'll be able to update the relevant details as needed. As a general tip, whenever you edit your profile, it's a good idea to double check your changes before leaving the page. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and appears the way you want it to. Keeping your profile accurate can help maintain a more professional and polished presence on the platform. And that's all it takes to get to the profile editing area in Lovable. The path is simple. Start from the dashboard, click the profile icon in the lower left corner, select Profile, and then choose Edit Profile. If you're following these steps while watching, feel free to pause the video at each point so you can complete the process at your own pace. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to find again in the future. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to update your profile in Lovable.